Welcome to Tales of Wisdom today. We're diving into the intriguing world of the Sigma female, a personality type often overshadowed by the alpha and beta. Sigma females are independent, free-spirited individuals who lead quietly and powerfully without seeking the limelight. Their mysterious aura often draws admiration and curiosity. So, let's uncover the defining traits that make them so unique and captivating. Sigma females are unintentionally intimidating to some due to their quiet confidence and demand for respect. Unlike the bold alpha, a Sigma's self-assurance is subtle but equally compelling. She knows when to assert herself and when to step back, always maintaining clear boundaries. This no-nonsense attitude ensures she won't tolerate disrespect and will quickly distance herself from toxic people. Her loyalty is unmatched. She values her relationships deeply and will go to great lengths to support her loved ones. If you've earned her trust, you've gained a lifelong ally who will always have your back. She never forgets acts of kindness and repays them generously. A Sigma female's individuality is her superpower. She's unapologetically herself, embracing her uniqueness with pride. This free-thinking nature makes her magnetic, though it can sometimes challenge societal norms. Whether admired or misunderstood, she remains true to her identity, balancing a sense of duality that makes her fascinating. Justice is deeply important to her. She won't stand by when she or her loved ones are wronged. While she isn't impulsive, she patiently ensures justice is served. Her assertive nature also means she's immune to negativity. Opinions and societal expectations don't influence her. She lives by her own rules, refusing to conform. Despite being an introvert, the Sigma female is a natural leader. Her strength and fairness earn the trust and admiration of those around her. She leads with wisdom and inspires her peers through her balanced approach. While she enjoys moments in the spotlight, she's selective about where she invests her energy, retreating when surrounded by people who don't resonate with her values. Her mysterious nature adds to her allure. She keeps much of herself private, opening up only to those who've earned her trust. Patience is key with a Sigma female. It takes time to truly know her. This self-reliance extends to all aspects of her life. She's fiercely independent, working hard to achieve her goals and creating a life she's proud of. Lazy or unmotivated people won't find a place in her circle. When it comes to relationships, she's highly selective. A Sigma female understands her worth and seeks a partner who matches her ambition and independence. Only someone equally driven and confident will capture her heart. Her exceptional communication skills further set her apart. She values clarity and honesty, avoiding games or passive-aggressive behavior. Her ability to resolve conflicts gracefully makes her a cherished partner. She believes in meaningful connections and works to maintain long-lasting relationships. Unlike some who struggle with emotional intimacy, a Sigma female embraces it. Her small, close-knit circle is her sanctuary, and she cherishes these high-quality bonds. Protective and nurturing, she ensures her loved ones feel valued and supported. However, to outsiders, she might appear distant or aloof. This is simply because she chooses her company carefully, interacting only with those who align with her values. The Sigma female's intelligence is another standout trait. Her curious mind thrives on knowledge, and she enjoys exploring diverse subjects, from books and documentaries to deep conversations. Her ability to discuss almost any topic makes her an engaging conversationalist, often surprising people with her depth of understanding. Her humor, often laced with sarcasm, is a reflection of her sharp wit. While her edgy jokes may occasionally be misunderstood, she uses humor as a way to bond with those she cares about. This playful side adds to her multifaceted personality. In essence, the Sigma female is a unique and powerful individual. She combines strength, intelligence, independence, and warmth, creating a persona that commands respect and admiration. Her refusal to conform and her commitment to authenticity make her an inspiring figure. So, what do you think? Are you a Sigma female, or do you know someone who embodies these traits? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with more fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.